this Burnout. Where's it going? Oh dear, oh dear. What do you think? Oh, fantastic. 71.09 and 77 in auto clip. Jenkins lines. Yes, Andy, you've reached into the 8th mile with your Burnout. Now come back and do some racing. No, he's going further and further. What if he's got a radio there? Can you hear us? Hey! He's done it. Nice one indeed. 15.39 and a 16.2. 85 mile an hour in the Toyota tyres lane. Matt Summerfield coming round for his second run. Again, trying to get the heat in those tyres and making a damn fine job of it. So when it carries on like this, he'll be on the roof soon. There we go. Those tyres lovely. 94.79, 15.1 seconds over the quarter mile. And you've now got the number 1 and number 2 qualifiers side by side. You've got Dave Jenkins in the season, number 1 qualifier, and his brother James in the Michigan lane. Just a note for you there, Dave Paul goes through in that. 16.3 in the Michigan lane once again, showing that he is one of the Burnout kings of truck racing. Position 93.9 and 15.1 seconds. Yeah, holds him at number 4. Up to 4th place then for Dave Ball. Back with Matt Summerfield in the ERF. Put your hands together for this guy. He's really putting out all the stops to impress the crowd here today. I'm just hoping his engine's not going to go bang. Oh, come on, man. I'll tell you what, the drag racers, when they come back round for the next round and see these tyre marks of the Toyota, they'll think there's been an accident going on here. Well, he's nearly reached the 8th mile mark, and he's still going. Look at that, he's fishtailing all over the place. Well, I think it's an officially an 8th mile burnout. Well done.